is Alana, and today I'm gonna be making some edible slime. And yeah, so the things you'll be needing is a bowl or a container that you can literally like something to do, and like it's like a candy. And then you'll need something to stir with. I'm using a spoon. Then you'll be needing some candies, candies. These can be any colors. So let's get right to it. So let's get right to it. Okay, I'm gonna move my camera somewhere else so you can see better. So yeah, not supposed to be the way you want it to be. So remember your bowl and some candies you like or you want, and a spoon, something to stir with. It could be like a stick or whatever you want. So first thing, I'm just gonna wrap out some candies. So let me just unwrap those, and we'll get right back to you. Candies unwrapped and out of the way. So we're just gonna pause this video, and I'm gonna get something like something to use. All right, guys. So I have oil. You can like use something that can work for you, but like for the oil, you don't want too much because like it can get too greasy. So just fill it up with your spoon. Don't put like too much, but just enough for you to work with. I'm gonna pause the video and put this big bonky thing back. Things ready, so we're gonna put it into the microwave for 30 seconds, and we'll get right back to you. Bye. You got your slime. You just gonna take your spoon, and then you're just gonna stir it up. And this is how it should look like, because it's supposed to be like that. And make sure you guys don't touch this. Like literally, it can burn your finger. So don't touch it. And guys, this can also be for this can also be for what is hot. This can be for like a peel off lipstick. So like just don't mess with it. Just let it sit there for a little bit, and then take an unmelted candy and just open it and stir it up again. And then yeah, so a couple of when one of my brothers did this before, they just did the little squishy Jolly Ranchers. They just and then he put it in the microwave, and it turned out pretty good. But then he just put it in the freezer, just let it sit for I don't really know how much long. But this is how it should look. Then just stir it up, and then like that, and then let that sit for a little bit. Don't let it sit too long. Let it sit until it gets warm or cold, like a little cold. It might turn into it might turn hard, but it's okay anyway. But then we're just gonna sit that in the freezer, and I'll come right back to you. Guys, so this is all done. And so once you just take it out, and you can just cut it up or something, and you can just eat it. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.